Welcome to the WideOrbit Automation for Radio mobile app. The following demonstration is for the iPhone. Pressing this will open the Quick Record screen to allow you to record, quickly edit, and save a piece of audio directly into your WideOrbit system. This will allow you to edit the information of an existing audio file in your WideOrbit system. In the top left of the Quick Record Edit screen is a VU meter, which displays the current gain level of the selected input as well as displaying the gain level of a piece of audio playing back. Just above the meter, there is a blue sliding cursor which allows you to adjust the level of the audio input. By default, this is set at 0 dB. At the top of the screen is a drop-down menu which displays the currently selected input device. If your iPad has more than one input device, selecting this drop-down will allow you to change what is feeding the Quick Record widget. Below the input selection is the recording timer and the recording start, stop, and preview buttons. The bottom half of the widget allows you to set or change the markers and metadata for the audio file. Recording audio using the Quick Record widget is pretty straightforward. Press the record button. When finished, press the stop button. To listen back to what you recorded, press the preview button. The audio slider shows a graphical representation of the recorded audio as a green line with a play position cursor. Just above the metadata section of the screen, the EOM section displays the current position of the end of message marker on the file. You can set or change the position of the EOM by manually moving the play position cursor to the desired location on the audio file and pressing the Set button. Using the plus or minus buttons to move the EOM in tenths of a second increments, and once it is in the desired position, pressing the Jump and then Set buttons. Or use the preview button to start the audio, and when the cursor arrives at the desired position, press the Set button to place the EOM on the fly. In the metadata section of the screen, you have 7 user-definable options. Fill in the title section to define the title of the recorded file. The artist section to define the artist of the recorded file. The distribution field allows you to set the distribution of the recorded audio file to either the current station or to all stations. If you're editing an existing asset from the library, there will be a third option, Desktop Configuration, which allows the audio file being edited to maintain its current distribution. If no change to the distribution is needed, use the Properties button to go back to the main Quick Record Edit screen. The Category option allows you to select a category from a list for the recorded audio file. In edit mode, setting this field to a different category allows you to make a copy of the audio file to a new category while preserving the original. The Auto Select Media Asset ID option is an on or off toggle. When on, the system will select the next available alphanumeric asset ID in the chosen category. When this is set to off, the Media Asset ID field is now available, allowing you to manually enter a specific asset ID. In the Restrictions section, there are 2 mutually exclusive toggle options. When Today Only is set to on, the kill date on the recorded media asset is set to midnight for the day on which it was recorded. When Until Further Notice is set to on, the kill date for the recorded media asset is blank, or in effect, until further notice. When all of the metadata and markers have been set, at the top of the screen are 3 menu items: Reset, Cancel, and Save. Reset is available when editing a pre-existing media asset. It reverts all of the changes you have made to the file and returns the settings to their original values. Cancel exits the Quick Record Edit screen without saving any changes and returns you to the library widget. The Save button saves the audio with all of the set attributes. The Quick Record Edit screen will close, and you will be returned to the main screen with the stack and playlist widgets visible. A green Successfully Committed message with the category and asset ID will display at the bottom of the screen. A gray Keep in Library button will appear to allow you to complete the save process of the audio for future use. And a purple button will also appear with the title and length of the media asset, as well as a Move icon, which will allow you to immediately insert the element directly into the stack or playlist widgets. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Quick Record widget on the WideOrbit Automation for Radio mobile app for the iPad. If you have any suggestions, questions, or comments, please email us at afrvideos@wideorbit.com.